So, you might already know that there's an entire growing movement of people called SPX 6900, and we're trying to flip the system, flip the stock market, and bring trillions to the middle and lower class. And while the community is ecstatic, you might still feel a little uncertain or lost. So, here's one trick which basically is a super steroid to increasing your understanding of SPX. Are you ready for it? It's gonna blow your mind. The trick is to use your search bar. So, why do you need to use your search bar? If you don't look into SPX, it's the difference between, say, if I explain your favorite dish to you, and if you actually taste your favorite dish. If you never tasted your favorite dish, you'd never really know all that goes into it, all the hype, everything that everybody was talking about. Once you look into SPX, you see how serious the community is about the mission, and you see all that's going into it. You see all that goes into the culture. You meet the community. I can go on, but it's better if you just dive in. So the next time you're on your social medias, especially on X, be sure to type in SPX 6900 and take your time and just enjoy it. SPX isn't just for people already in finance. It's for people who understand that the system is broken and they want to make a change in the biggest way possible. I, for one, am never giving up on SPX, and I know thousands of others that aren't either. Persist forever and flip the stock market. Your family will thank you, and I will thank you, and the aeons will thank you. Be sure to type in SPX 6900